Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. So, today we will continue our chapter They Showed Us the Way with the topic Social Reformers. Children, social reformers are people who work for betterment of the society. They guide people in such a way that people can live a better life. Let's read about some of them. First is Sant Kabir. Sant Kabir was brought up by a weaver. He criticized false beliefs, rituals, and exploitation of common people in the name of religion. Through his couplets, we call these Doha also. We all know about the Kabir ke Dohe. Now the next one is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in a Bengali family. As he grew, he observed that sati system was an evil custom. According to sati system, the wife will burn with their husband when he is dead. His pioneering efforts encouraged opposition to the sati system and led to its eradication. He also fought against child marriage and caste system. The next one is Ramabai Ranade. Ramabai Ranade was a woman social reformer who did a lot for the upliftment of women in the society, because in that time the condition of women were very bad. The Pune Seva Sadan, a school for orphans, was started by her. Next one is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a Muslim reformer who worked a lot for Muslims, especially to improve the condition of Muslim women. He was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University. The next one is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Children, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, an eminent political leader and a scholar. He spent his entire life fights for reforms against social discrimination and Hindu caste system. He was being honored with the highest Indian civilization and civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, for his outstanding contribution towards social reform in India. Now, scientists, since ancient time, India has been foremost in many scientific fields. They were far more knowledgeable and progressive when the rest of the world was struggling in the darkness of ignorance. In the field of mathematics, India has made a major contribution. Aryabhatta was the first to introduce the concept of zero. He was a great astronomer. A satellite sent into space by India is named after him. Same is Aryabhatta. Next one is Chiraka Samhita. Chiraka Samhita is a book of medicines and surgery which was written in the ancient time by Chiraka Rishi. Its contents are still very useful. Ayurveda is an old Indian system of medicine which was very highly developed in recent time. C.V. Raman, Jahangir Bhabha and Jagdish Chandra Bose has contributed a lot in the field of scientist and science. S. Ramanuj was great mathematician of modern India. Former President of India, late APJ Abdul Kalam, was also a great scientist. He is called the Missile Man of India.